For a special and unforgettable holiday for you and your family, we recommend choosing a benefiting tourist program for your needs. Here are some tips that help you plan the best tourist program in Turkey from Safaraq Tourism. Choose the most suitable company in terms of credibility and prices. The program should include flight reservations, tours, hotel reservations, and cars. Choose a company with English-speaking employees. In case of requesting a private driver, he must have experience in tourist guidance. Choose your accommodation to be a hotel, a tourist apartment, or a tourist resort. Determine the number of adult family members and children. Choose accommodation in a central, quiet location or by the sea. Try to rent a car with air conditioning, modern and suitable for families. The tourist program should start early to make use of time. Safaraq Tourism organizes top tourist programs, tours and tourist offers, with special services, at reasonable prices, a professional team, and a follow-up from the moment of arrival to the moment of departure. Safaraq Tourism, your frequent travel companion. Book now.